As a UI UX designer, what project should be in your portfolio to attract possible employers in 2021 and beyond? My name is Samuel Linus. I'm a full stack developer at NerdyEye, so ensure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are not, hit on the subscription button below and turn on the notification bell. So let's get started. If you want to be a freelance UX designer, or you want a full-time job, or you want a remote job or a part-time job, one thing remains constant, right? And that thing is the fact that you want to attract possible employers. And if you want to attract possible employers, the first thing they're going to ask you is send your portfolio. Let's see what you have done. Or they ask you a question like, what have you done? In other words, they just want your portfolio to understand if they can actually give you that particular job, right? Now, I want to take a look at 4 major projects that you should have on your portfolio in order for you to attract possible employers. Now, the first project that you would love to work on as a UX designer to be inside your portfolio is an e-commerce application, right? It could be a web or mobile application, but you want to work on an e-commerce application. Why? It is simple because everybody resonates with an e-commerce application. So you don't want to go and work on one particular project that they cannot actually relate to it, and they can't actually fit it to what is really happening right currently. So building and having an e-commerce application from start to finish that you have actually designed, have a nice prototype for an e-commerce application, is a nice project to have in your portfolio as a UI UX designer. The second one is fintech. Now, fintech has been on the rise. Every now and then, there is one new fintech application, there's one new fintech product out there, there's one new fintech app out there, right? So as a UX designer, you want to have a fintech prototype as one of your projects in your portfolio. So you want to design a fintech application for payments, for receiving of payments, for sending of money, or probably even if it is for cryptocurrencies or anything of that nature, right? So you want to ensure that apart from e-commerce, you also want to work on a fintech prototype. The third one is delivery or logistic. So you want to work on a delivery prototype, an application that has to do with delivery. It could be for a restaurant that you can order food, place order for food, and they deliver it to you. It could be just to hire bikers, right? Bike riders for logistic and the rest, right? So people can actually resonate with this kind of prototype. Your employers, no matter how knowledgeable they are in the industry, they can resonate to e-commerce, they can resonate to fintech, and definitely they'll be able to resonate to relate to any application or prototype that has to do with delivery or logistics. So you want to have delivery or logistic application as part of your portfolio. The last one, which is not the least, which is the fourth one, is you working on taxi or ride sharing prototype. So you want to work on a project that has to do with taxi app like Uber or Bolt. So you want to work on that, right? So once you have a prototype that's display how someone can actually easily build a ride sharing application or a taxi application, it will really be nice to boost up your portfolio as a UX designer. So when you have these 4 application or projects inside your portfolio will be able to attract any kind of employers and towards any kind of job that they want to contract it for, right? Just a recap. So you want to work on e-commerce. After e-commerce, you want to work on logistic or delivery application. You want to work on fintech, and as well, you want to work on taxi application as well, or ride sharing application as well. So if you have these 4 different kind of prototype in your portfolio as a UX designer, you will definitely attract possible employers. So go out there and ensure that you have all of these things in your portfolio, right? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we post valuable informations like this on our YouTube channel. Now, we have a course on UX design for online course and on an on-site course as well. So if you're thinking about learning UX design, you can as well subscribe to any of our courses. So I hope to see more of you.